Welcome to another Learn and Gain session on ITIL. In this session, we would talk about business service management. What is business service management? It is all about how we bring value to a business with IT. Every business has an objective, vision, mission stating what they want to become and what they want to achieve. Leveraging IT to help business meet their vision and mission is all about business service management. Let's make it even more simpler for you to understand. Organizations have business processes, software applications, and IT to support their business functions. When the business process is mapped with the respective software applications and IT, business and IT could see how changes within these entities impact each other. Mapping of these processes, software application, its underlying components, governance, and monitoring the performance metrics at the required layers with respect to the related business process is called business service management. So what's the current challenge in terms of business service management? IT, or information technology, is the hidden component of most organizations supporting the daily operational, tactical, and strategical needs of the business. Most organizations today are IT-centric rather than business-driven. There has always been a disconnect with IT to the rest of the organization. Companies spend a huge amount of money in their IT expenditure. With competitive market and growing business needs, IT expands, providing the latest and greatest in the market. The biggest challenge in today's world from an IT perspective is how efficiently we can facilitate the business to meet their objectives at an optimized cost. Let's take a simple example. Everyone must be aware of space travel, rockets, space station, and so on. In older days, astronauts go to the space station through space shuttles, and the pilot's command console comprises of thousands of gauges and switches, each for a specific need or a purpose. Pilots go through a lot of training trying to memorize the functions of these switches and gauges. With the evolution of technology in today's spacecraft, these thousands of switches have been replaced with few switches and touchscreen panels, with a lot of correlation and aggregation happening at the back end. These advancements in the pilot's command console not only adds value by helping the astronauts, limiting to fewer control switches, but also provides a simpler interface. A dashboard on a car has a lot of indicators apart from the gauges, which may be associated with one or more underlying component. A warning light on the battery indicates that the battery needs to be checked or replaced. A low fuel warning indicates that the car is running low on fuel and how many more miles you can go with the current fuel. Some cars even have codes displayed on the dashboard indicating that some component needs attention. Why do we need this predictive or proactive warning notification? What if there are no indicators and one of these fails? A dead battery during a trip or an empty fuel tank would impact your trip. This is where business service management helps, providing a simpler interface indicating what is the issue, which component is causing it, and how soon we can fix it without impacting the business. A low fuel warning showing how many more miles the car can go with the current fuel is your service level. Anything beyond these service levels would impact the business. And this is the value we get as a business owner wanting to run the business effectively. Let's consider another example of an online store. The online store would have multiple underlying software and IT components. When the payments processing is down, customers would be unable to make a purchase and eventually an impact to the business. Multiple teams would be working on the issue in silos, trying to analyze and fix the issue from their end, leading to a longer resolution time, thus causing a huge impact to the business. Providing the right team with the right information is where business service management could help. When the business process and the related components are connected, they provide an end-to-end relationship of how these components work and interact with the respective IT services. It is easier for the business to know what is causing the impact to the business and helps with faster resolution. A simple drill-down view of the business process helps business or the IT to analyze the area of concern in an agile fashion, thereby reducing the mean time to restore. In today's world, it is important for the IT organizations to have a business-centric view on how these services are linked to the business process. This helps both business and the IT on how a change in their environment could impact each other. With latest tools and technologies available in the market, the application and IT service mappings are completely automated with the appropriate tool implementation, whereas the mapping of the business process to the underlying IT is still manual. Hope this video provides you with a brief overview on business service management. For more videos, please check out our channel on YouTube. You can reach us on any of the social media platforms. Thank you and have a wonderful day.